Here is your weekly weather briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service office in Riverton, Wyoming. We'll talk about the last few days of March through Easter Sunday and tell you a little bit about what's in store for the 6 to 10 day forecast across the Cowboy State. Before we get there, here is the snowpack water content as of Wednesday, March 27th. Take a look. Values really haven't changed a whole lot over the last few weeks, and they continue to remain mainly in the 70s to lower 80s in the yellows and some oranges here. If you take a look over Yellowstone National Park and across the northern part of the state into the Bighorns, we do have some higher snow water equivalent values. But based on the forecast we're looking at over the next week, we expect these values to drop a little bit more, especially the central and south. Won't be a lot of precipitation, and some of the snowpack will actually melt as we move into the first week of April. But there you have it for at least Wednesday, March 27th on the snowpack water content. Now into the forecast. We'll start with Friday. Generally warm, just like the last few days. It'll be fairly warm for this time of year with above normal temperatures. Some showers are not out of the question in the afternoon and early evening hours, especially over the northern and western mountains. We have this ridge of high pressure across the west. There's the high indicated there. Warmest air will be across the southwest part of the United States, but it does nudge up into Colorado and Wyoming. A pattern like this generally means breezy and warm, especially east of the Continental Divide. Therefore, temperatures Friday will be 5 to 10 degrees above average. Not a bad day on Friday. Well, what about Saturday? Slightly cooler temperatures are expected on Saturday as the weather pattern is going to change just a little bit. We have a weak cold front that's slipping down from the north. Cooler temperatures over central and eastern Montana will try to make it into Wyoming, but overall it will still be a very nice day with slightly above normal temperatures, especially across the lower elevations. Mention here of some mountain snow and some valley rain in the west. Yeah, that's possible, but the chances are quite low even for Saturday. We'll call it a slight chance of rain or snow. Again, in this pattern, not a whole lot to talk about except for some breezy conditions, and this time of year you get some clouds that build up in the afternoon and early evening hours, which can put down a few showers. Then on Sunday, still fairly warm air mass over the central and southern part of Wyoming, but take a look, there'll be another cold front, a weak one on Saturday as previously mentioned, followed by a colder strong front that's going to be making its way into northeast Wyoming by late Sunday or Sunday night. Take a look at these colors. After you see some reds, oranges, and yellows, there will be some darker colors or colder air making it southward by Sunday night. So look for that. Otherwise, Easter Sunday looks mainly dry. Again, always that slight chance or isolated rain or snow shower for Sunday, but overall, a great Easter Sunday is shaping up. That cold front will continue to make it through Wyoming and then stall up against the Continental Divide or east of the Continental Divide late Sunday into Monday. So Monday is going to be much cooler. You can see again these darker colors over eastern and northern Wyoming, and it could possibly be 5 to 15 degrees below average. However, still not going to squeeze out a whole heck of a lot of rain or snow with this front, although cloudy conditions could exist, especially early on Monday. So we'll be watching out for that. Okay, so slightly cooler early in the week, but what does it mean for later next week or the first week of April? Well, here's your April 2nd through 6th temperature and precipitation outlook. Temperatures on the left, precipitation on the right. Big area of above normal temperatures expected over the western part of the United States in the 6 to 10 day period, with the colder air over the central and east. And for precipitation, it looks like the best chances for moisture will be the far eastern part of the United States into the southeast. Wyoming's right here on the right side, when in the white color area, or which we call equal chances or average precipitation, although slightly above average, probably looks a little more appropriate now based on what we're seeing here at the National Weather Service. So we need that moisture. Let's hope we get some in the next week. But in the meantime, if you need to contact us, please call us anytime at the number above or any of these links right here to get more weather information 24/7. Thank you and have a great day.